Hey girl, welcome to the Sassy Jones Show. It's me, Sharice Jones, CEO of the one and only Sassy Jones. Come behind the scenes for all things play, family, and fun. And you know, there is absolutely no filter. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Enjoy today's episode. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays! So it's our first Christmas in the house. I'm very, very excited. It's just like so many Christmases. 2 Christmases have gone by and we just actually, 2020, it's okay, 3. Yeah, 3 Christmases have gone by as we were going through the process of building this home. Yeah, so, you know, and we thought it was gonna be last Christmas, and it's all good because, you know, beautiful things in custom takes time. And so here we are spending our holiday season here. Something very exciting is happening today. So our Christmas decorations inside the house are going up. My decorator is here and we go way back. She decorated my wedding. She's an amazing florist. And her team are here to do 3 Christmas trees inside the house. So she told me I cannot peek. So just follow me along for the day and we'll see how it turns out and see the epic reveal. Okay, so the decorators are all situated and I'm gonna do something with myself today so that, yeah, I don't get in their way. Good luck to me. Okay, so I just got word that the tree is ready. Let's go see what they're working with. How nice. Voila! It is beautiful and it meshes within here. Well, come on. Our goal. Yeah, I mean, no, look at the leopard thingies. Oh, how cute. You didn't paint those, did you?
No, I didn't.
Oh, no, because, yeah, they looked like they were painted.
Oh, they were by homeless people.
Seriously?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. So all kind of goes in with who you are.
Yeah.
So, as you can see, the tree could eat some more ornaments if you wanted more, but
Shall I put no more ornaments on this tree? Y'all, I just have to document this moment. Like, I legit grew up putting up my Christmas tree and doing it with my parents, my grandparents, doing it for my own children. I have to tell you, to have the decorators here, I really feel like a rich bitch. I do. Like, I'm sorry. Like, I just do. Like, and it's such a, it's a pinnacle feeling for me because I've always done it myself, so it's just nice. And you know, I'm new money. I don't come from ain't nobody got nothing, okay? So it's just nice to be the first to have the ladies come and decorate my home. It's nice. Hey y'all, so we're at Panda Express. Occasionally in the middle of the day, Keon and I will do like a day date. And our restaurant day date of choice is Panda Express. So let's see what I get. Yummy. Okay, in addition to Panda Express, we're also at McDonald's. Dead smack in the center of Mickey D's. I got a fish combo. We got, what'd you get? 2 nugget combos, and they're out of sweet and sour sauce. Keon's pissed that they're always out of sweet and sour sauce. And what'd you get?
Big Mac.
Big Mac.
I just talked about it, so.
Excited about our McDonald's outing? Why does McDonald's ain't got no play area?
You get here now, Skylar, pull all this down. Let's sit down.
It must be good. Can we see it get sturdy?
The hardest one, I believe, is spinning kick.
Why is spinning kick so hard? It's coordination, first of all.
Because you have to, the teacher says, you in testing, but if you're in your class, you're allowed to look up and do it. But if you're in testing, you have to look down and do it.
Well, you got it. You got it. You Judah King. Okay, so it's pretty late. The boys keep asking if Santa Claus is real. Yeah, there's a number of classmates that are challenging their belief of Santa Claus, and I think it's time that we just break the news. So we're gonna go break the news, but let's see how it goes. So who believes in Santa?
Me, Jackson, Team, Matthew, Maya, Adriana, Noah, the second Noah, then Cedric, Logan, Caitlin. There's a lot of people.
Okay, so what do you think?
Santa is real.
Tell me why.
Because why would your parents go to a store at night time?
Jackson, what about you? What do you think? Huh? Yeah? Your vote is yes? Oh, okay.
Who is Santa?
Santa is mommy and daddy.
Now I'm going to type on my tablet. Who is Santa? That is C-O-P.
You said it's cat? What?
I'm going to type on my tablet. Who's Santa?
Okay. Okay, hey beautiful people. All right, so today's a fun day. The kids know about Santa Claus now. They took it pretty well. We talked about them being the Santa Claus themselves and gifting to others and doing good. And we also talked about the proximity to Santa Claus. Now Santa Claus isn't something or some person that they'll never meet, like some dream in the sky. They got to hook up with Santa Claus because Santa Claus is mama. So you're winning. So today, I'm winning too. So we have a national TV show that is coming to film my life today. Yes, so the home, the store, and the warehouse, we're gonna do a tour, lifestyle tour. So yeah, come along, headed down for makeup, exciting times. Got my waist trainer, my phone, and my laptop. Everything a girl needs. No, she was like, calm down. Wait, Blue was on one. Listen, she was so passionate about it.
She told me no. She's like, you can't. Okay,
she was so passionate about it.
I appreciate you, but you can't talk over folks. She's like, look, that's your child. That's your child. All right, I gotta get used to that.
I did notice that she improved Beyonce. She improved how her delivery to people. Because I remember watching stuff back in Destiny's Child and how when she was doing a whole bunch of stuff back in Africa, like before Lion King. I forget what video, but she recorded a video on Africa and I watched this YouTube like 25 Beyonce worst moments. And then the African coordinator, the choreographer, he was like, yeah, you do, I'm an artist, you don't know how to talk to people, you know. And so I was like, she was getting her ass. So I noticed her communication style improvement. And so when even when she was assertive, she was just like, she said her please, she said her thank yous, and her voice, her tone never changed. It was almost modest. She was like, I said this yesterday.
Yeah.
Versus back then, she was like, I said this yesterday.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So like, it's because she's aware of who she is and her limitations.
He's like, I'm gonna say this.
Yeah.
Guys.
Because you can crush people. You know what I mean?
Yep.
You send people to
If
therapy.
Beyonce gotta ask me, I'm gonna.
You have to do therapy for years.
He's like,
I'm not good enough.
you know what I mean? I didn't. Black boy. Oh my God. Beyonce is upset with me. God, it never was sense. And I was surprised when we was in there. We had like I was telling them, I said, "Oh, we had aunties in ours because people were like in their seats dancing and stuff." But I seen videos and they were on the floor doing the whole routine, all that. And I was like, that would have been fun. I don't mind that at all because if we was at a concert, that'd be happening. So what's different?
It's very true. It was happening at the concert.
I was there. Y'all would be dancing all around me. I couldn't do nothing about that. And nobody was talking through the parts where, you know, she talked and stuff like that. They weren't making noise and dancing and all that dance. So you want to have a good time, we'll have a good time.
You better.
But people they still, it was one guy that was really dancing in his seat. Everybody was talking to the screen. Every time somebody came on, clapping like we were there. So it was great.
It was amazing. It was just so amazing.
I hope she gets something for that.
Because she produced it, directed it, wrote it.
Yep. I said, oh, I'm so proud of you. Did Taylor Swift do the same for hers?
Mm-hmm.
She wrote and
Because she went to, I don't know about the movie, but I knew she did
I saw her there. I saw
Yeah.
her pictures with them.
preview.
I was like, oh, yes, I compare them. Compare, stop it.
I don't get that. And they love to do that with women as if we don't serve an infinite God. That would then mean that God is in some way scarce. You know what I mean? There's only one mold.
Out of all the 2,000.
All these colorful fish in the sea, all these different kind of clouds you see every day. You ain't never seen the same cloud.
Nope. But
So why? Why are you comparing these women?
Because you know, it ain't us.
Show like it's for that
It ain't us. Because we know the difference. It's like people be like, oh, something about her being Michael Jackson, he still be like, Beyonce is great. Michael is in his own, and Beyonce is in her own.
Why?
Like, we're not comparing. Like, they are just the greatest in what, you know, who they are. We don't have to compare. Yeah.
It's scarcity
They
mentality.
us for sure. It's definitely not. They all great.
Okay, the face is beat. It looks so good. It looks so good. Okay, so we used popsicle on the lips and Jada lashes on the eye. Y'all, Jada lashes are restocking, but there is no lash like this. It's like this sculpted Spidey lash, but it's lightweight and wispy, and it doesn't give lush. It gives lady lash enough, but overt. It's good. It's good. Anywho, I'm about to go upstairs, comb my hair out, and get dressed.
Hey, how are you? Good to see you. Nice to meet you. How are you?
Hey! Y'all look so cute in the paintball costume. I love it.
How about this house? One word. What does it mean to you?
Ooh, it's the same word. Okay, so what it means to me is I always want this home to feel better than it actually looks.
Right.
Everyone comes in and talks about the color and the design and all of that, but I'm like, feel it. You know what I mean? Yeah, like you should feel love, and you should feel family, and you should feel grounded and centered here. And I designed it based on that too. Even the arrangement of the furniture, the flow, the feng shui, the map of the home.
Yes.
It's also important to the way that I arrange things. So typically when you're talking about a movie theater,
Right.
we'll do like all kinds of built-in speakers. But because industry and technology changes so much, we decided not to, right? So our speakers are there because like, 6 years ago, 7 years ago, we didn't have Bluetooth.
Right.
And I'm sure 5 years from now, there will be something else. So why would we pay to put things in the ceiling that could potentially be temporary? You know what I mean? So we did that so we can adjust and evolve. It was also cheaper. Love that. Oh, win, right? Okay, so we're about to go outside. I gotta show you something. So remember we talked about the other day how I was having a moment and full of gratitude because the decorators were here, putting up the Christmas tree, all that, right? Okay, so the decorators is back. They back, girl, all right? And another day of door decorating and some florals. Fun fact, I'm a big Christmas girl, but I'm more of a decor girl, and I don't like to over invest in temporary things like Christmas fixtures. It's where I've always been that way. Like, I spent so much time and energy and intention on my regular decor. It's like, child, I ain't disrupting that with no green wreath. That's just me. That's me, okay? But they doing a little something. Okay, and I say a little something. Girl, this extra AF. Come on, let's see. It look like you've been doing some squats.
That's the best answer.
Yes. Look like you've been climbing ladders. Yes. I don't know how you do what you do, but you do it so well. Okay, so it's photo shoot day. So what's happening right now is, let me just show you the look. Let me show you the outfit. Cute little poncho, jeans, and here's my secret. Ain't nobody gotta know that I'm shooting in slippers. Good old strong Versace slipper. Come along. This is one of the sets for the day. The glamorous bathroom. But it is really a glamorous bathroom.
What? Dancing for the camera.